Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in target date funds with Fidelity. Target date funds are a popular investment option for individuals looking for a simple approach to saving for retirement or other long-term goals. These funds automatically adjust their asset allocation based on a chosen target date, making them ideal for hands-off investors. First, you'll want to log into your Fidelity account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing your personal information and completing the necessary steps. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Investment Options section where you can find various mutual funds, including target date funds. After locating target date funds, you can explore the different options available based on your target retirement date. Fidelity offers several funds with varying risk levels, so take some time to research and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals. Be sure to pay attention to the expense ratios and historical performance, as these factors can impact your overall returns. Once you have selected a target date fund, you can proceed to make your investment. Determine how much you want to invest and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It's also a good idea to set up automatic contributions if you plan to invest regularly. With that, you are now ready to start investing in target date funds with Fidelity and work towards building your financial future.